I'm here working on my wife's 2009 Mazda 6, and I'm going to show you how to remove the door handle from the rear passenger side. It's the same process that goes for the driver's side. So, as you just saw, I pulled this little rubber piece out of the door handle, like where you pull your door shut. Inside your door handle here, you have this other plastic piece of crap. You're going to grab a Phillips screwdriver, go down inside of here, where you pull your door shut. There's going to be a Phillips screw, pull that out. Another Phillips screw here, pull this one out. Go. Next step, grab your door panel by the bottom if you can get a grip on it. Just give it a pull on the bottom. Make sure all your clips are out, lift up. Door handle just pops out, flip it sideways. Boom, leave it right there. You're inside here. You're going to have your power window switch. Pop that up. Be a little gentle with this. Don't pry too hard. Just pry where the clips are grabbing on. That way there you don't destroy the plastic. You don't break it. So here's your plastic window, or your window switch. Unplug it off the back, throw it away. No, don't throw it away. Alright, so now your next step. Not sure if you guys can see. Oh yeah. Anyway, there's a little plug right here. You pull that plug out. You're going to grab torque screwdriver. Grab that torque out of there, screw it all the way out, and they just stay there. And grab my flashlight. So, here, I'll grab you. As you can see right here, there's another torque screw right here. Pull that one out. So, right in here, you're going to see that rod. There's a rod in there, that straight piece. I just lost my light down inside the door. Anyway, this rod right here. Right there. Long straight rod. What you want to do, you want to grab onto that and pull it towards the car. Big hand in here. Pull that out. As you can see, it's out. There. I can grab my light now. Yeah, screw it. Alright, so, next step. This little plastic piece right at the very end of the door. Pull that out. Pop it off. Now your door handle, slide it back and off. Hope I helped you out, guys.